So in this episode, we're going to be repairing a frame. This particular frame fell off the wall and shattered into, as you can see, 4 pieces. Now I know what you're thinking. Frames are pretty cheap. I can just go buy another one, right? Well, that's true, except for the fact that can I still find this frame? This is for a set. It's got all my kids' graduation pictures in it, and they're all the same frame that I had made before. So finding this particular frame would be almost impossible. With that said, if you've been following my series, you'll know that we had made a handmade clamp out of some 2x4s. Now I'm going to show you how to use that to repair this frame. So let's dive in and get dirty. So to repair this frame, you could go out and get you a set of 4 of these. These are the 90-degree angle clamps. That's an option, and it's a good option. But I'm going to show you how to do it using the handmade clamps that we made, I believe, in episode 3 or 4 of the beginner series. And we'll also use a ratcheting tie down. So let me show you how to set this up. So I'm going to use this ratcheting tie down to create a loop. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is the way that it ratchets. So if it ratchets this way, I want to go through here, pull it, and then go back through the same side. So now I have a loop here that I can actually create kind of a clamp, so to speak, with. So we're going to set that aside. And now we're going to go ahead and set up these clamps that we made so I can show you how to utilize them to create the clamp so we can fix this frame. Now if you followed the series, you may have asked, and it's possible, why did I not put 2 screws in here to make it so this was not movable? Well, this is the reason why. I can turn these and create a clamp at a 90-degree angle. So I can actually use these now to fix something like a frame. So I just got to find out what pieces go where. Okay, so there we go. That's how it will assemble. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and back this piece out and put it over here so I can use it to make the clamp. So I'm going to put it here and then tack it down. And I'm going to do the same exact thing with this piece here. So there we go. So now I've just basically made a clamp that will allow me to fix this frame. So now that I got the frame in there, I'm going to go ahead and drape or loop this through the bottom. And then once I get it looped, I'm going to put it back through. Just thread it right back through. So I have the loop that I was talking about earlier. So now that I have that loop, I can go ahead and tighten it. And as I'm tightening, I'm just going to go ahead and check and make sure that all my corners have lined up, so I can tighten and check it as I go. Corners are looking good. Now what I don't want to do is I don't want to over tighten this, because if I do, it's just going to pop the frame right out of there. So once I got what I feel is just enough pressure to do the repair, I can stop. So now that I got it tightened pretty good, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can, I can fit a shim in here, so I can add just a little bit more pressure. Voila, and just like that, we have fixed the picture frame. So instead of scrapping this, throwing it away, running out and buying a new one, we fixed it. Saved us some money. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new episodes as they become available. If you are new to the woodworking hobby, check out my Woodworking for Beginners video series. If you would like to make a donation to my channel, the link will be in the description. Until next time, keep it safe.